Hey everyone, I have a 5 off 25 scenario for you with Pampers and baby wipes. So clip this coupon for $2 off one Pampers Easy Ups. Put one of these in your cart, they are $12 minus the $2 digital, you'll pay $10. Clip this coupon for $3 on one Advil. So grabbing one of these at $6.25 minus your $3 digital, you'll pay $3.25. Go ahead and clip this coupon for 25 cents cash back whenever you purchase Huggies wipes. Grabbing a pack of these Huggies wipes at $2.75, you're going to pay that out of pocket, but then you're going to earn 25 cents in cash back. Alright guys, so this is going to expire today on the 14th, so if you don't already have it clipped, I'm not sure if you can still clip it, but if you do have it, you can use it on this. Buy one of these at $5, take away the $1.50 digital, and it leaves you paying $3.50. Alright guys, so after your 5 off 25 coupon is applied, your all detergent drops down to $2.53. Your Huggies wipes are going to drop down to $2.22, and we're still going to get that 25 cents cash back. Your children's Advil is going to drop down to $2.04. Your Pampers Easy Ups are going to drop down to $7.71. So our subtotal was $26 minus our $11.50 in digital coupons. It's going to leave you paying $14.50 plus tax, but we're also earning that 25 cents back on the Huggies wipes. So my total with tax is $15.16, and I don't think that's that bad considering baby wipes and stuff like that are outrageously expensive. So I hope you guys have a great 5 off 25 Saturday, and I'll talk to you later.